guys. Fort Boat looks like a giant pin cushion. Hey guys, get over here now. I'm sorry, folks. Fort Boat's not supposed to look like this.
Well, looks like whatever happened here is already happening. Let's get out of here.
I don't think so. Stay, guys. You stop right there. Now, you started this mess. Now you're going to stay out here. You're going to help us figure this mess out.
But Maverick, what was I supposed to do? To the this is going to happen. That's right, you showed about it. That's right, got it right where you want it. I got you now. That's my dancing. I have complete faith in you.
Howdy, Sheriff.
This is not fighting!
Okay. Yeah.
I don't want to hear you.
What was that? You look like that. You want to go? Sheriff, where have you been the whole time?
The marshal,
Sheriff?
and I have had a little powwow, and I'm recall off my pay. If the gold is returned immediately!
You heard him say, guys, give him the go back.
And an apology. This isn't out, Mr. Barrel.
You don't want this back, too, do you?
And an apology.
And an apology.
And apologize.
I'm trying. I'm sorry.
Pathetic, try it here. Here, try some of this and loosen your right up.
I'm sorry.
Still not good enough.
Hello, I'm really sorry. Really, truly, sincerely sorry. Please don't try to
Never happen again.
It'll never happen again.
I'm going to give money to a puppy orphanage.
I'm going to give money to a puppy orphanage.
I'm gonna buy
From
all
now
the
on, I'm going to help old ladies cross the street. I'm a changed man, I tell you. Completely changed.
You're going to buy everyone on this train ice cream.
I'll buy everyone on this train ice cream if you'll give me half the gold back.
Not true.
True?
Listen, too late. That is good enough. We'll go back to the village.
You're going back into town. We'll have a little talk about this with your mom when we get back into town.
Don't tell Mom.
I'm telling your mom.
No.
Yeah. She's going to get a stick, she's going to tan your hide. You know,
I don't know. All right, Chief. Take care.
Small amount of that's little bit.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Hey, hey, you can't get me.
See how I am the Cowboys in tweetsie tribe.
I'm off base. We give you a head start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't.
We play hide and seek.